Very good morning, children. I welcome you for the today session. Today, the date is 6/11/2020. Okay, what we are discussing? We are discussing the subject science. In that, we are starting with a new lesson, lesson 5, birds and their food. For this, you can refer your all-in-one textbook, page number 186. Okay, it starts with the page number 186. Okay, children. Today we are discussing a topic. Topics are introduction about birds. Okay, small introduction about the birds and body parts of birds. Okay, two things we are discussing in the today's session. Okay, introduction of birds and body parts of bird. Shall we start, children? Okay. Introduction of birds. Birds are beautiful creatures, isn't it, children? We have seen many birds around us. Okay, there are uh, in different colors. Those birds are of very different colors. Okay, they are very much beautiful creatures of our nature. Correct. Then we all enjoy watching them, isn't it, children? We all like to see the birds. Some birds will keep in our home also, no? This pigeon, parrot, lovebirds, we all like to keep in our homes, no? Okay. Then we all have seen a peacock, correct? Very much beautiful bird. For that only the peacock is a national bird. Peacock we call as a national bird, and to see also the peacock is very much beautiful and it has a colored feathers. Okay, which is our national bird, children? Yes, it is peacock. Then we all love to see the parrots. That too, most of the children like to see the parrots, correct? Then we all enjoy listening to the chirping of birds. Okay, that sound they'll make, that sound we all like to listen. Correct. In the early morning, if you woke up, you can hear clearly the sweet voice of a birds. It makes our mind cool and fresh, isn't it, children? Yes. Okay. What is a unique feature of bird? We'll see the unique feature of bird is that they have a wings. What is the unique feature of bird? It is that they have a wings. Only birds have a wings. No other animal have a wings. Okay, only birds having the wings. It is the unique feature of bird. Okay, since the birds have a wings, they can stay in the air long time. Okay, most of the birds can fly. Not all the birds, most of the birds can fly. See here, children, image you can observe the many birds, including a colorful parrots, peacock, okay, kingfisher. There are many birds, eagle, peacock, everything. Are very nice to see the colorful birds. All the birds having a different colored feathers. You can observe, children. Okay. Then now, we know that birds will fly, but what makes a bird to fly? We'll see the reason of flying. A bird can fly because of following features. Okay, we'll learn one by one why the birds will fly. Light body. Okay, first one is light body. The body structure is very much important to fly. This bird's body structure will help the birds to fly. A bird's body parts are very light. Okay, since it is light. Okay, balloon it doesn't weight more, no, so it can fly. Like that, birds also having a very less weight, so easily they can fly. Then hollow bones. Hollow bones, Hollow, hollow bones. Hollow means empty space inside the bones. It is not, the bones of the birds are not filled. Okay, empty space left in the bones. So this will make a bird's lightweight. Okay, uh, the bones of the birds are hollow and are filled with the air. Okay, only air, no other thing is filled inside the bones, only air. Okay, this makes them light yet strong. Okay, then boat shaped body. A bird has a boat shaped body. It helps it to float in the air easily. Okay, all the birds having a boat shaped body. See, like an aeroplane. Okay, boat shaped body so that birds can fly easily in the air. 3 points: light body, hollow bones, boat shaped body. Then wings and the feathers. Wings and feathers are the most important thing. Because of this only the birds will fly. A bird has a wings in place of arms. We are having a arms. In place of arms, birds are having a wings. These wings have feathers which helps it to fly. Okay, these wings have a feathers. Okay, attached to the wings. Okay, the feathers are attached to the wings. This one feathers and wings will help the birds to fly. Then strong muscles. The strong flight muscles of a bird makes the bird fly up and down. The strong muscles, the flight muscles are very strong. So this will make a bird to fly up and down. Then tail. The tail of a bird acts like a rudder of the boat. Rudder means this one. Uh, to run a boat will be having stick like structure, no, the stick like material, no, that is what called a rudder. And a tail act as a rudder. It helps the bird to change its direction during flight. Huttu, rudder means huttu. Okay, the tail acts as a rudder. This helps the birds to change its direction during flight. When it's flying, the tail will help the birds to change its direction. Okay, which will help the tail help the birds to change the direction. Okay, can here observe here children, the tail, the feathers, garigalu. Okay, feathers. Then boat shaped body. You can observe the boat shaped body. Okay, children. The body parts of a bird and all we'll see in the next class. Thank you, children.